umpire's call and soft signal. Because let's be honest, Surya Kumar Yadav would have had a century on fucking batting debut if it weren't for one absolutely disgusting call. Followed by another absolutely disgusting call about whether or not the foot was
You
touching the
only
fucking
call me on
boundary.
the stream so that I get hated by people. What? Is that why? Because I've had this conversation with you all before. I've had the same conversation on soft dismissals, on fucking DRS, on all of this umpires call, all of this call.
Here's my
We've had
question.
an entire segment where we've discussed how run out was a problem, falana, ये सब हम लोग पूरा ये किया है, पूरा आर्क किया है जिसमें मैंने वापस मेरा बुढ़ापा दिखाया है और मेरा एक्चुअल the problem is this whole like this woke world can't afford to have any gray area, na? It's you're either right or wrong. No, that's not how cricket is played. There are decisions that go against you, and there are decisions that go for you. So in a situation like that, it sucks and it doesn't suck.
Except the Surya wala. I agree with like the six wala.
Yes.
Like
देखो
सूर्या
सूर्या
वाला
वाला
was
ना
like
ऐसा
यार-
इधर लगता है अपने को, इधर वो उसका फिंगर्स ऐसे था
हाँ
और हमारा दिल भी ऐसे हो गया, लाइक एट द सेम टाइम, लाइक
अगर तू वो कॉल को एक्सेप्ट करेगा ना तो तू मान रहा है कि सैम बिलिंग्स था, कौन था?
मलन था ना, डेविड मलन था ना, आई थिंक
डेविड मलान था।
मलान
तू कह रहा है कि डेविड मलान का उंगली उसके पाम से 2x लंबा है, ठीक है, जो फिजिकली नहीं पॉसिबल।
I'm not saying that the decision was right or the decision was accepted, but there have been clear cut dismissals even before where they were completely like they were wrong in almost every aspect.
हरभजन सिंह हैट्रिक,
डेविड मलान के हाथ के नीचे एडम स्टम्प का हाथ था।
सॉरी, मैं एक और चीज बोलेगा जिसमें और भी हेट मिलेगा। कुंबले का 10 विकेट में देखो ना कितना एलबीडब्ल्यू नहीं था। मतलब हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं यार?
तो इंडिया में मैच होता है तो इमोशन में बह जाते हैं ना थोड़ा हम लोग।
वही तो प्रॉब्लम है। बट आई एम सेइंग not just that, even if you look at Australia, even if you look at 96 World Cup, you look at you fuck 96 World Cup. I'm saying you look at all the way till 2007 World Cup, that Yuvraj ka fucking thing that happened. Right? I don't understand. It's a part of sport. ये फुटबॉल में भी जो हो रहा है मेरे को बहुत इरिटेट करता है, क्योंकि तू ऑफसाइड ऐसे एल्बो की वजह से थोड़ी ऑफसाइड दे सकते हैं। मतलब तू क्या चूते है क्या? So my entire universe is just
What is this offside? What? Who?
वो एल्बो तक आगे रह गया तो ऑफसाइड दे दिया फुटबॉल में।
Cancel. मेरे को नहीं।
No. So I just don't. I'm not a fan of this like this extremely strict. I know we've had this conversation before when I was there also, where we were talking about it, and everybody's like, if you can avoid an error, then why not avoid an error? But you're not avoiding an error. There are still errors. Whether it's VAR, there is inconsistency. Whether there is umpire's call or DRS, there is inconsistency. Why do you have umpire's call? If it's an LBW decision and you are allowed to take a review, then umpire's call की माँ की चूत ना चाहिए ही नहीं ना, तेरा opinion ही नहीं चाहिए ना umpire। तो मेरे को नहीं जानने का तेरा opinion, इसके लिए तो मैं review मांग रहा है। So how can you rest on umpire's call? So you've still kept all of these things as shady. There is enough mistakes happening despite it. With a run out, the reason why when a run out required a third umpire decision was because a run out is literally not it's not possible, and it's not the fault of anyone, and there is no right or wrong in a run out. There is a clear cut line belongs to the umpire. तू line पे है तो तू out है, line के पहले है तो तू out है, line के अंदर है तो तू out नहीं है। Now we've made those decisions better and better and better by like light bulb off हो रहा है, bat crease के अंदर है, all of this is what because bails needed to be off and all of that jazz. But I just think that like it's just I don't know. I don't know. I think I mean I'm not a fan of this like extra policing. Little errors should be allowed. It's part of the sport. You go, you get frustrated. It's like life. It's okay. Things don't go your way. That's the whole point of sport. The reason why sport is exciting is because it's a replication of life. You don't know what's going to happen. Your best favoritist player can fuck up on the day, and that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
While I agree with you to a certain extent, I guess with technology coming in, what ends up happening is because we can see mistakes more clearly, we tend to feel more strongly about it.
Can
And
I
maybe
ask
there is
you
more of a
a question?
conversation around it now. Please.
As there are football fans on this podcast, before we go on to ODIs, just last thing. You watch football mein DRS, right? Football has DRS recently.
It's called VAR.
VAR,
Yes.
yeah.
It doesn't matter what they call it. They could call it STD also. My point is,
Might
in
as
that
well say soccer also, no? Then
football में we know how fucking ugly those things are. वो उसको ऐसा हाथ घिसता है ऐसा शोल्डर से, वो गिरता है एज इफ उसके गांड पे लात मारा है, बराबर. तो यू सी हाउ फकिंग अगली द रियलिटी इज कि कितना फेकड़ी मार रहा है ये तुम्हारा प्लेयर जो तुम फॉलो कर रहे हो, जिसके ऐसे यहाँ पे बाल पे हाथ घिसा तो वो गिर गया ऐसे उसके गांड पे लात मारा है. ठीक है. इन क्रिकेट द थिंग इज that it only reveals the bad side of two kind of people: the fielder who has clearly not caught the catch and is pretending to catch the catch, and the umpire whose decision is ki it's not hitting the stumps, and you watch it and you feel like, oh fuck, ye kya chutiya aadmi hai, isko dikh raha hai ki hitting the stumps, right? But here's my thing with both situations. What's happening is happening in a microcosm of time. It's happening in no time. Like the ball, एक LBW का decision के लिए कितना time है अंपायर के लिए? It's literally like less than 3 seconds of the ball going and hitting the fucking thing, right? So I feel as a person watching, if you are going to sit and judge the umpire for what he did, first of all, fuck you. Because you don't even understand an inkling of what that person is
Correct,
going.
because the ball has hit the pad in less than a second. And but स्टीव बकनर को देखना 3.5-4 सेकंड लेता था डिसीजन देने को. सबका गांड फटता है क्योंकि बकनर ऐसे ही खड़ा है, सोच रहा है वो. फिर ये करता था वो. गॉड, क्या स्ट्रेसफुल होता था जब बकनर डिसीजन दे रहा था तो.
And the amount of hate an umpire gets, and I'm not just talking about cricket, I'm talking about football, I'm talking about basketball, I'm talking about baseball. The amount of fucking shit a referee gets in fucking American football, boss. Like उसके घर पे लोग बहनचोद अंडे फेंक देते हैं यार. तो मतलब स्ट्रेस लेवल कुछ ज्यादा ही हाई है. I think what I would say is my conclusive thought on this is shut the fuck up. You don't understand the job. Chill the fuck out. Watch some cricket. Once in a while an umpire decision will go against you. It'll go against you. It used to go against you before DRS also. So what the fuck is the problem?
And it'll go for you also at some point.
Exactly. Listen, we all watch the test matches in the stadium that shall not be named.